everybody, it's your Dragon Queen Fallexi coming back at you with a brand new stream with Nana! You guys loved her, she doesn't believe you, but you did. She's back now! So first thing, we are actually making orange rolls. This is a dragon tradition, dragon family tradition, that has been passed down through the legacies.
A few generations now.
Legacies nuts, I'm sorry. But yeah, so we're making orange rolls. They're freaking delicious. They're so good. They're so good. So we're doubling
the recipe.
Doubling
so
the
I have to
recipe.
remember to double everything.
Doubling everything. Okay, so fun fact, so our orange roll recipe, so we are doubling it, but it's so far combined or called for. Does that say hot H2O? You did it by water? You put H2O?
I always put H2O. I never put water. I always go H2O.
Nice.
Don't you do that? Don't you just, you know, when you talk about water, you
No,
I put a little H2O in there, put a cup of H2O.
No, that's not the first word that comes to my mind.
It's a banana thing?
It's it's a something. So we did a half cup of butter, but because we're doubling it, it was a full cup. Herpes is not for you.
No, nobody likes herpes.
Nobody likes herpes. That's the cat's name, for the record.
Definitely named by the dragon mother.
So, his original name was Hermes, and he was an asshole, so he got called Herpes. Technically, his original name was the cat, and we took him to the vet, and they were like, we need a name, and I was like, the cat, and they're like, we need a better name. And then now we're doing 2 packages of yeast, because doubling. Hi, Dragon Mom. Hi, Willy Boy. You're not stealthy enough. You're not. And then we did 1 cup of sugar because doubling. I like to eat buttercups.
What? No, you don't.
Not anymore. What? Back in the day, with the goats, my farm girl moments. Go out in the field. They had these yellow flowers over by the thing, and I ate them.
Oh, with the goats?
Yep.
You and the goats were out there eating them?
I wanted the bond.
Okay.
We have
They're lots of fun.
3. Do you have new sheep, or
They're
did
characters.
you let lose sheep?
No, we have 4 sheep.
What happened to the other 3?
2 got sold.
Sold.
3 got sold.
Is that what you're saying instead of butchered, or they genuinely
they just
were
got sold.
Okay. Sold to butchers?
No, one guy has the males. He didn't have the females, so we sold him a ewe.
He needed.
Somebody else wanted 2 with the big.
That was 3 cups of flour.
It
because
was
double.
I used a half cup measure, so
It
I
was
had
a
to do
1.5
it 6 times.
because I stole your cup.
Pretty sure.
Did you double it though? Do I? Am I?
Okay.
Fun! Baymax lost his nuts, by the way, if you guys missed that memo in chat. Story time!
You weren't allowed to do anything different.
So, oh yeah, no. So basically, I have a friend who likes morbid things, and she was doing my hair. She's my hairstylist as well. And she was like, do you think you could get his testicles in a jar? I was like, I don't know. I don't think so, but I don't know. She's like, you should ask. And I was like, this is gonna be the weirdest conversation, but okay. So show up, vet tech comes out, and I'm like, hi, I have a weird question. Can I, you see, so he's getting snipped, neutered, and fixed, all of that. He's getting that. Is it possible to obtain, his nuts in a jar, bag, or something? And she just starts laughing. And I'm like, yep, okay, this could have been worse. I could have been looked at like an idiot. Laughing's fine. I'll go with this. Just kind of behind the door, you open it.
There's an aluminum can. In there.
And she was like,
scorn.
I have my first hair that I ever took off of a dog in a jar at home. And I was like, oh shit. She's like, I got an eyeball, I got this. And I was like, okay, I see you. And she's like, yeah, I'll see if they can, but because it is medical weeks, typically we don't do that. And I was like, yeah, no, like if you can't, I'm okay with it. I'm really okay with it.
Go for it, girl.
And yeah, so I get there after the procedure and everything, and they're going over all the stuff, and she's like, and unfortunately, we were not able to get his testicles for you. And I'm like, I'm okay with this. Is not an unfortunately moment. I didn't want to drive home with these to begin with, so we're good. We're good. Thank you. Thanks for looking into it, but I'm good.
We're needing.
We're needing.
Needing.
Needing. I'm not needy. Am I needy? Am I needy? Am I the trauma? I think I'm the trauma.
A little sprinkling here and there.
That was my whole arm, Nana. When does the dough get on that part of my arm? Don't blow on it!
It's like a child that grows very fast. Isn't that just gorgeous? And she's soft and...
I've got
My
sheep
Japanese
shit spread
names.
all over the place.
Why are you spreading?
We're spreading sheep shit.
You're a sheep shit spreader?
Sheep shit spreader.
Why? What are you talking about?
Well, I had sheep shit on my boots and I didn't realize it. I got
In the walking.
no, not in the house. It's outside.
Well, thank God for that.
Sheep, pigs will not shit where they sleep, but goats and cows and horses. No, horses won't.
Sheep and
Sheep,
goats.
goats is not so
Cow,
bad.
rabbits.
Sheep shit is.
Yeah, it's a little
Geese, ducks.
more to it.
Everybody thinks pigs are this unclean animal.
This is
But
virgin over here.
they will not crap where they sleep if they have any choice.
Okay. Pomegranates. What should I do?
No! Pomegranates! I'm just kidding. It's a meme. It's a meme. I gotta show you the meme. I'm sorry. I startled her. No, Papa, come back! They liked your sheep shit conversation. They liked the whole rant about animal shit. It was great. Good
You're
content.
getting likes?
Yeah, you're getting likes.
They're
Daddy.
getting likes. They said, no,
Papa
Papa,
Dragon.
come back. We want to hear more about dog shit or cat shit or sheep shit, animal shit.
I think I've exhausted the topic.
Are you sure?
He has all kinds of stories
Did you
about
talk
bears,
about-
though.
You can
and-
tell a bear story.
You could tell the story of the bear. Is it bear shit? We
Bear
haven't
shit
talked
story.
about bear shit yet. You want to know what the first thing I think of when I hear the word shit? It's not poop.
How to shit in the woods.
And How to Shit in the Woods, that damn book. So there was a book that was called How to Shit in the Woods, and it was literally just like a survival thing. It was talking about how to function in the woods. But the title, it just showed the legs and pants dropped in the hiker boots, and that was the cover. And it was How to Shit in the Woods, and I just remember opening this ancient casket box. Like that thing over there, and just be like, what's in here? Whoa, how to shit in the woods. I'm finding the finds. I'm learning the things.
I went on a big long hike, a 10-day hike with this guy,
Oh,
and we didn't pack any toilet paper. So, we use leaves and big, skunk cabbage leaves, but he would have none of that. He ripped the pockets off his shirt. He ripped the pockets off his pants. He would not use nature's provided.
have you ever had stinging nettle touch your butt? It reminds me of a book a friend's granddad had left over from his military days. It had a section titled Fun with Shotgun Shells. That's so
Building bears.
cute. I need to go to Build-A-Bear and get Stitch.
You need stitches?
No, emotionally, but
I did not have sex with that woman. One of those moments. One of those kind of moments.
do that one more time right here. Let them see the.
I did not have sex with that woman.